how to see chats on Snapchat without adding them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're bringing you another useful tutorial, that is how to see chats on Snapchat without adding someone. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notification for more helpful tech videos. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, many users wonder whether they can read message without adding someone. So here is how it works. So if you receive a friend request but don't accept it, you won't be able to see any messages they sent. And if you have added someone but they haven't added you back, you can message them as much as you want, but they won't be able to see your message until they accept your request. And if the person's Snapchat account is public, you can still view their stories and activities without adding them as a friend. But unfortunately, the only way to see their message is to add them as a friend and wait for them to add you back. And once they do, you'll be able to chat freely. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.